All right, team, let's review the inbound schedule for the chassis components.
The revised timeline shows the module arriving Thursday morning, ahead of projection.
Check the penetration on monitor 3. Looks consistent with the parameters. Quality check passed.
Verify tolerance on the forward strut.
Scan confirms 0 deviation. Logging the data now.
The flow rate on applicator 3 seems slightly high.
It's within tolerance, but let's keep an eye on the viscosity sensor.
The coverage is flawless on the rear quarter panel.
Agreed. We are cleared for the next stage.
Final positioning looks good. Verify data on panel.
All parameters nominal. Module secure.
All parameters are nominal, but look at the vibration data here.
I see it. Let's monitor the suspension load closely.
Panel alignment on the rear quarter looks good.
Confirmed. All metrics are within tolerance.
Ready for final approval.
These units are cleared for transport, correct?
Yes, the digital board confirms all checks passed.
Readings are verified on the front section.
Copy that.
Final seal check initiated.
Digital clearance verified.
Visual inspection complete, all secure.
Clear on my side, bring her out.
Confirmed. Clear to proceed.
Straps are secured and tension is correct.
Okay, I'm documenting the seal integrity now. Everything checks out on the digital manifest.
Keep it steady back there. Merge traffic is clear for the next half mile.
Hold it right there. Slow approach.
Clearance confirmed. You are good to proceed.
And stop. Set the brake.
Okay, passenger side clear, no scratches or transport damage.
Confirmed. Running final diagnostics on the rear module now.
Control to Yard 1, the graphite unit is clear for departure.
Roger that. Bring the flatbed to lane 4 immediately.
Check the rear tie downs again, depot side. All green on my terminal, ready for sign off.
Bay 4. Verification complete. All sensors nominal.
Copy. Manifest updated. Clear for departure.
Gate 4 is clear for the black models.
Acknowledged. Releasing the next batch now.
Escort 1 to carrier 42. You are clear to the exit ramp. Maintain posted speed.
Clear to proceed. Watch the overhead clearance at Gate 3.
current speed. Watch the spacing on the left.
Copy that. Traffic looks clear ahead.
Vibration levels are stable. All parameters are green.
Very good. Let's finalize the transport integrity sign-off.
Approved.
Glitching stoye